This is one of the smallest camper vans in China. It is compact but still big inside. It even comes fully equipped with a washer dryer, and guess what? This camper van boasts of not one, but two slide-outs. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
The van's body is compact but dynamic, stretching just under 19 feet 8 inches long, making it perfect for city navigation and off-road exploration alike, as it is built on a high-performance Iveco new daily chassis that runs on a 3.0-liter Fiat diesel VGT engine with 180 horsepower and a torque of 317.15 pound-feet. Moving to the front, the grille and headlights give it a bold, sophisticated face. The LED lighting system gives the camper van a futuristic look. It also has a sleeping area above the driver's cabin to make extra use of space in the motorhome. On the driver's side is found a large slide-outs, which is really a unique feature to see especially on a camper van, because it increases the motorhome's living space by 40%. On the rear of the camper van is also found another slide which accounts for the extra rear bed area that we would talk about in a bit. And for storage, the Deddle RV has a huge dedicated storage bay that can be accessed from both the rear side and the rear end of the passenger side. There's also a rear-mounted spare tire, tastefully integrated into the design, in a manner that adds a touch of finesse to the camper van. What's a luxury camper van without some outdoor entertainment? The Deddle RV comes with all of this and more on the passenger side of the camper van. A retractable awning extends from the side, creating the perfect shaded area to enjoy a sunset dinner or a relaxing afternoon. With built-in LED lights under the awning, your outdoor space remains cozy, even after dark. To butter it up even more nicely, this compact camper van features a fully functional outdoor kitchen with a slidable conventional cooktop, a series of panels which are expandable into countertops, as well as a cold and hot water exterior outlet with a shower hose for immediate wash-offs. The camper van boasts of a pretty unique drawer feature as well, which allows some drawers to be accessible from the exterior as well as the interior, giving them a dual space utilization purpose. How fancy is that? For the tank capacities of the van, it features an 84.5-gallon freshwater tank, a 23.8-gallon gray water tank, as well as a 16.6-gallon black water tank. We now take a look at the top of the camper van, where is found an array of solar panels which generate up to 1,500 watts of electricity using a massive 6,000 kilowatt inverter with 420 amp-hours of lithium batteries. We are talking here of a bottomless source of energy for all your off-grid adventures. The entrance door from every indication is very sturdy with the provision of a secure locking system to keep the camper van safe at all times. The entrance is also fitted with a see-through glass portion coverable with blinds, an insect mesh that can be pulled shut while the door is left open, and a well-mounted bin collector on the inside of the door. In total, the exterior looks seemingly modest and as normal as any regular camper van might look. But don't let it fool you, as we are about to step inside, where the real magic happens. The entrance welcomes you with an air conditioner just above the door, steps which are ingeniously crafted to be lifted up to store away shoes, and a cabinet console to the right, which, apart from having shelves for putting away frequently used items like keys, houses the control panel. Three things come to mind as you climb into the living area. It is super luxurious, super spacious, and super friendly. It almost feels like a high-end seat out for a fun get-together on wheels, with plush seating, with seat belts, and a space that can comfortably seat up to 4 people, with extra seating for 2 people at the rear. And that is without counting the cockpit seats. The seats of the lounge are made of premium leather and designed with ergonomics in mind, and massage features as well, ensuring comfort during long road trips or even when you're simply lounging around. The large panoramic windows allow you to take in the breathtaking views of nature while you dine. And yes, The windows come with adjustable blinds for privacy and natural light control. Plus, it also has more storage compartments beneath the seats, as the seats can be lifted up to reveal relatively large bays where more luggage can be stored. Moving on to the kitchen area, the designers did an amazing job at fitting a full-featured kitchen into this compact space. You have a movable 2-burner induction cooktop, perfect for whipping up meals on the go, a convection microwave oven, and a decently sized wash sink with filtered water all connected within an array of base and upper cabinetry, and elegant countertops to make the space as functional as it is luxurious. There's an overlooking and sufficiently blinded window for natural lighting and ventilation as well, and the sink is fitted with a sleek, retractable faucet for a premium dishwashing experience. Surprisingly, there are enough cabinets and drawers to spare for ample grocery and kitchen essential storage. But the real gem in this kitchen is the built-in refrigerator and freezer combo, which, unlike most other campervans its size, is a full-size unit cleverly placed on the opposite side of the kitchen, where it is very easily accessible. Heading toward the rear, we find the bedroom area, another space that benefits from the double expansion feature. When not slid out, it serves as a cozy lounge, but with the slide out, it transforms into a luxurious sleeping area with an incorporated partition curtain. The double bed is equipped with memory foam mattresses, ensuring you always get a restful sleep even while on the road. Above the bed are found plenty of storage cabinets to store clothes, bedding, and other personal items. Underneath the bed is not shy of even more storage compartments, as it houses the main storage bay of the campervan, suitable for storing off large-sized cargo, with access from the interior as well, in addition to the earlier access from the rear and side of exterior talked about earlier. Furthermore, it has got the washer-dryer machine cleverly stashed under the bed as well, making it super easy to have fresh clothes throughout the trip. Another area worth highlighting in this campervan is the wet bath. Most campervans have cramped, minimalistic wet baths, but the Deddle RV breaks that stereotype. It features a full-size wet bath that has an elbow room that would make the wet baths of many Class B motorhomes feel small. It comes well-equipped with a shower, sink with vanity, and even a flushing toilet. The shower head offers multiple spray settings, and the water heater ensures you can enjoy a hot shower no matter where you are. There's also enough storage cabinets with power outlets and wall shelves for your toiletries, mirrors, and a towel hanger which can be collapsed to the ceiling when not in use. The smart tech in this campervan is just as impressive as its physical features. With a central control panel located in the lounge area, you can control everything from lighting to temperature, check battery levels, the status of the tanks, and even monitor the solar panel input. For those who enjoy entertainment on the road, the campervan is equipped with a state-of-the-art sound system and a retractable 32-inch flat-screen TV in the lounge area. Perfect for movie nights after a long day of exploring. Although, it does come to mind how one intends to climb into the upper bunk bedroom when movies are going on, as it actually reclines against the entrance to the bedroom. The upper sleeping is situated just above the driver cab, and instead of a ladder to climb into it, they provided a magic step system, which can be opened to provide access to the bunk, or folds up to provide extra seating, as it is adequately padded. Furthermore, the upper bed area consists of a double bed, which has blind-provided windows on both sides to provide natural lighting and ventilation, as well as charging ports and a very comfortable double mattress. We shall now talk about the driver's cockpit, which is accessible from the living area and can be shielded off with a curtain partition. The seats are fully padded with a luxurious leather covering and stitching, and the dashboard provides a lot of tech features and displays for enhanced driving, such as a 7-channel road monitor, as well as blind spots assists. The overall drive cabin is spacious and allows for easy movement and access to the living area of the RV. This video is about a campervan that might be even more luxurious. Click on it, and I'll see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.